Every product I showed will be used to achieve this 10 minutes flawless glam. You can wear this look when you're going on an errand, going to work, or just going for an outing. You can use this makeup technique when you want to look put together without doing too much. It's definitely about applying minimal product. You don't have to cake your face to be able to achieve this fit. Let's get into this look. First, I'm going to sleek my brows and put them in place with my got2b gel. You can draw your brows if you want to, but if you have bushy brow hairs like mine, you don't have to do too much on your brows. After you're done with your brows, make sure you moisturize your face and prime your face. I've already moisturized. After applying my primer, I'm just going to let it sit for a bit so it can get tacky before applying the next thing. Next, I'm taking my concealer from ZK Cosmetics in the shade Honey. I'm just going to apply that everywhere I usually apply concealer. You guys noticed that I was talking while filming this part of the video. I don't know what's actually wrong with my mic. My mic has been acting up. I don't know if it's my mic or my phone. I've actually filmed this exact video 3 good times. This is the third time I'll be filming just because my mic wasn't working. I'm going to be speaking in some parts. Those parts you guys should know that the mic wasn't working there. After blending out your concealer, make sure you apply another concealer on top of the first one you applied. And just put just a little bit and blend that out. After applying your concealer, the next thing you apply your foundation. Just take a little bit of product. You don't need too much of foundation. You don't even need too much of product for this makeup. I'm just going to take just a little bit. I'm just going to put that everywhere I didn't apply concealer. I'm just going to blend this out. You're going to blend the bridge of your nose so you don't end up having harsh lines. Now take a setting powder and set your under eye and the bridge of your nose. Now take your brown powder and apply that everywhere you applied your foundation. Blend this side out more so you don't have harsh lines around this area. Take your bronzer to bronze your face. This is going to bring back dimension on your face. I'm using the palette from ZK. I'm using this palette. I like using this to bronze my face. Now I'm taking this blush shade from the same palette and I'm taking the orange shade and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks, and make sure you smile when applying your blush. For the setting powder on the bridge of my nose, I'm just going to use my powder puff and press that into my skin. Next, I'm just going to highlight my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose. Take a dark pencil and apply that on your waterline. Now I'm taking the brown shade from my Bimide Adore palette and I'm going to use that shade to create a small wing. Now take a gold shade and apply that in your tear ducts. Next, take a lengthening mascara and apply that on the upper part of your lashes and the lower part of your lashes. You can wear your false lashes if you want to. For my lips, I'm not going to do too much on my lip. Just going to line my lip and apply my lip balm. You can use a nude lip if you want to. I'm going to take a little bit of gloss. Lastly, set your makeup with the setting spray. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you very soon. Bye.